Hey River, do you know what we're making?
Yeah.
What are we making?
Hash browns.
What?
Hash browns.
Hash browns?
Yeah.
No, we're not making hash browns. We're making vanilla.
Yeah.
Remember? We're gonna open the beans.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got some vanilla beans.
Yeah.
And we're gonna make our own vanilla extract, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah. It's so
Do you love helping mommy out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so really big, this cup.
Yeah, that is a big cup. Don't go buy beans
Yeah.
in the store because it's
There's
$8 for
letters.
one bean or $11 I've seen. I got 25 for like 30, so it's around $1.50, $1.60 for each bean instead. And this is grade B. I didn't know there were different grades, but there are. So I got grade B vanilla beans, and it even comes with instructions on how to make it. Are you ready to help me make beans? Some vanilla extract? Okay. So, I've never done this before, but from what I've read, it's super, super easy.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna cut these. Can you count 5 for me?
Yeah.
Can you get 5 of them? 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
5.
Good job. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, River, is cut it up and put it into a cup, okay?
This one?
Yep. I really feel like this is not gonna be enough.
You're definitely not gonna eat the whole package, so.
No.
And you're gonna squeeze
They
them.
say online, or the one I found, or a few of them I found, it says to split it open and let the bean
2, 3.
have the seeds exposed that way, or the beans exposed. But on the package it says to cut them and don't split them. So I am a bit of conflicting views right now, but
So why don't we do one that way and do the next one, split it, the whole thing open, rather than just cutting them up.
yeah, so this might be kind of lackluster. See, I feel like that's not enough.
This is so romantic.
I'll do one more. One more. For the road. Okay, now we're gonna pour out the vodka.
What's this? It's water.
No, it's not water. It looks like water. This is vodka,
Yeah.
which you do not drink, okay? Do not ever drink the vodka, okay? Okay, so let's put that in there. Can you help me pour?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
We need some more.
Alright, now we close it up.
Yeah.
Can you shake it?
It was pretty full.
Shake, 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 shake.
There's really more.
Alright. Should we do that again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that again.
This one.
We're gonna cut 5, so this one I'm gonna split.
This is
Split them open
really.
like that.
This is really.
Let the glorious beans on the inside.
Mommy.
Okay, can you put that in, River?
Yeah. Gonna empty that. Looks the empty that. Where? The really close up.
Close it up and shake.
that one.
Mm-hmm.
Then put it on it and shaking.
I'll shake it up in a minute.
Just a melt. Shake it.
Okay, shake it. I'm just gonna add more. You're okay. That's good.
Ready? Look.
That's that. We're all done.
Yes.